Many wonder if they could easily set up IPTV on their Roku devices without hassle. Roku doesn't offer direct IPTV app support, making this a topic many find tricky to navigate. Fret not, as we scratch beneath the surface to uncover hidden methods that resolve this issue. You need reliable streaming tools to bridge the gap, making IPTV accessible on Roku. Let's walk through the process seamlessly, unlocking unlimited TV access with minimal fuss. Start by ensuring your Roku and IPTV source are network connected with robust internet speeds. Next, download an enabled streaming app compatible with Roku, which acts as a direct intermediary. Using this application, flawlessly integrate IPTV services, beginning your enhanced streaming adventure. Engage with a wide selection of channels, bringing your viewing experience to life without interruptions. For optimal streaming quality, check out 2tv.store. They offer exceptional IPTV services for everyone. Get started today, transform streaming on Roku, paving the way for endless entertainment options.